This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Sherry Mulhare. Custom designed and built with all the best upgrades, this home is the quintessential Southern home. With 4 ensuite bedrooms, gourmet kitchen, dining room, a customized laundry room and plenty of storage, this home has it all. Gather around in the semi-open kitchen and family room, custom cabinets, built-ins, and yards of granite counter space. Screened porch and deck, plan some time to relax while overlooking the golf course of Stonehouse. Telecommuting, or keeping your business running, is easy with both an office and a library on the first floor. With elevator access, front and back stairways, you will find 2 primary ensuite bedrooms. Each suite has a spa-like bathroom, large closets, and sitting area. There are 2 additional ensuite bedrooms. Best of all, this all-brick home has a 3-car garage, full basement and full attic. Be sure to peek into the brick outbuilding that houses the 70 kW Caterpillar natural gas generator with an automatic transfer switch. The best of Stonehouse. For more information, review the details below or contact Sherry Mulhare at 757-719-4112.